Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of the graphical user interface for Bayesian analysis. We can open the Bayesian estimation dialog by clicking Statistics at the top and scrolling down to Bayesian Analysis and selecting Estimation. In the Model tab under Syntax, I'm going to begin by selecting Multivariate Normal Linear Regression with Common Regressors. For my dependent variables, I'm going to select Trunk and Turn, and then for my independent variable, I'm going to select the variable foreign. The next thing I need to do is specify the covariance matrix, so I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to type sigma for the parameter name, and click OK. And next I need to specify the priors for my model parameters, so I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to select Trunk and Turn from my parameter specification list. And then I'm going to put normal priors on these with a mean of 0 and a variance of 1000. Then I can click OK. And then I also need to click Create and specify a prior for the covariance matrix. Here I'm going to select a multivariate Jeffreys prior for covariance matrix. And then I need to select it here at the top under parameter specification and then click OK. Next we go to the Model 2 tab. And under blocks of parameters, I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to select Sigma, my covariance matrix, and here I'm going to check the box next to Perform Gibbs sampling for this block, and then click OK. The last thing I need to do is go to Simulation, and then for the random number seed, I'm just going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that I can replicate these analysis later if I want, and then I can click OK, and Stata will begin fitting my model. It'll begin with the burn-in, and then the full MCMC simulation. And when it finishes running, it'll show us our results. Now, after we fit our model, one of the first things we'd like to do is check the convergence of the MCMC chain. So I can do this by going to Statistics and selecting Bayesian Analysis, and then I'm going to select Graphical Summaries. And then in this, for this analysis, I'd like to just do a multiple diagnostic and compact form graph. So I'm going to select the parameter, trunk foreign, for example, and click OK. And when I click OK again here, Stata will create a panel of diagnostic plots that will include my trace plots, my trace plot, my histogram, and my autocorrelation graph, and so forth, my densities. And there are other things that we can do if we'd like to check other diagnostics, such as we can go back to the Bayesian analysis menu and we could check other things graphically. We could check our effective sample size, look at summary statistics, and calculate other things. So that's just a basic introduction to the graphical user interface for Bayesian analysis. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.